Hello children, hope you all are fit and fine. So children, today I am going to start the second poem from the second assessment syllabus. So children, the name of the poem is The Squirrel. So what is squirrel? Squirrel is a small animal and have big eyes and bushy tail. They love to eat nuts and fruits. So children, without wasting our time, let's move to the poem now. All of you take out your book number 3 and page number 12. So let's move to the poem. So children, in page number 12, you can see poem number 6 and the poem name The Squirrel. So children, now I am going to recite the poem, then I will start the explanation. So all of you look at your book. The Squirrel. Whisky, frisky, hippity hoop, up he goes to the tree top. Wheelie, twirly, round and round, down he scampers to the ground. Now all of you take out page number 13. Furly, curly, what a tail, tall as a feather, broad as a snail. Where's his supper in the shell? Snappity, crackety, out it fell. So children, now we have completed our poem. So now, before I start the explanation, I want to tell you some word meanings which are given in your book and which are going to help you to understand the poem properly. So for that, all of you take out page number 12. In page number 12, you can see the word scamper. It means run with short or quick steps. So now, kids, take out page number 13. Here you can see the word broad. It means thick. And the word supper. It means dinner. So children, I hope you have understood the meanings. So now let's move to the explanation. All of you take out page number 12 and look at your book and listen to me. The Squirrel. Whisky, frisky, hippity hop, up he goes to the tree top. So children, in this 4 line, the poet tells us how the squirrel climbs first and goes to the tree top. Wheelie, twirly, round and round, down he scampers to the ground. So in these 4 lines, the poet tells us that the squirrel climbs round and round with quick step down to the ground. So now come to page number 13. Furly, curly, what a tail, tall as a feather, broad as a snail. So in this 4 line, the poet tells about the squirrel tails. That the squirrel tail is furly, curly, tall as a feather and thick as a snail. Where's his supper in the shell? Snappity, crackety, out it fell. So children, in this last 4 line, the poet used to ask the squirrel about his dinner and tell us that the squirrel dinner is in the shell and the squirrel snaps and cracks out the shell. So children, here we have completed our explanation. I hope all of you have understood and enjoyed it. So this much for today. Thank you. Stay safe, stay healthy.